Tablescape, I'm going to begin with this off-white leaf patterned runner that I got from Home Goods. And to that, I'm going to add this beautiful rust-colored arrangement in a wood vessel. I'm going to come in with these two wooden candlesticks that I got from At Home Store on clearance. Next, with these gold woven placemats, and to be perfectly honest, I don't remember where I got them. Usually I tell you where I got them, but I don't remember where I got these. And on top of that, I'm going to come in with these orange chargers that I got from Home Goods. For my place setting, I have these beautiful leaf pattern plates that I got from the Dollar Tree. And on top of that, I have the small dessert plate that goes to the linen textured bone white set. For our napkins today, I picked up these cute little turkey napkin rings. There were a set of 4, but unfortunately 2 of them were badly chipped. So I'm going to use 2 of them on our table setting. And then I have these 2 turkeys, and there were only 3 of them. So I'm going to mix and match the 2. And the 2 colorful ones are napkin rings, and the 2 solid ones are not. So I'm just going to sit the 2 solid ones on top of our napkin, and then the 2 colored ones I'm going to put our napkin through. I'm going to come back in with these beautiful white and gold marble textured coasters, and then these beautiful gold champagne flutes. And here we have a beautiful table setting for Thanksgiving. Now let me bring the chairs in, light the candles, and I'll give you a closer look. This budget-friendly Thanksgiving tablescape can be put together even in the last minute in a pinch. So I hope I've given you some inspiration. If you haven't done so already, please consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and bang, hitting that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.
I will be the best.
Happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. See you next time.